What if I told you that watching motivational videos is the exact reason you are failing? You are addicted to the feeling of growth, but terrified of actual change. The truth I am about to reveal will destroy your excuses forever. You are watching this video hoping it will save you. I need to tell you a harsh truth right now. It will not. In fact, watching motivational videos every single day might be the exact trap that is quietly destroying your future. You feel a sudden rush of energy, promise yourself that tomorrow will be different, and then you wake up and repeat the exact same mistakes all over again. It is a vicious, painful cycle. I know this feeling deeply because I was trapped in it for years, waiting for something outside of me to fix my life. But today, I am going to show you the real way to break that loop permanently. Welcome to Glaze English. Before I show you this blueprint, please take a second to hit that subscribe button to support the channel, so we can keep making videos that actually help you grow and transform. Now, I want you to look at your life. Your current situation is not an accident or a stroke of bad luck. It is a perfect, brutal mirror. Your life is simply a reflection of who you are at this very second. If you think the same anxious thoughts, keep the same lazy habits, and react the exact same way to stress, your reality will never change. You do not need a new life, my friend. You need an entirely new version of yourself. We are not talking about motivation today. Motivation is a cheap feeling that disappears the moment the work gets hard. We are talking about true transformation. The moment you decide to become a new person, your entire world begins to shift. And as we take this journey together today, you will notice something beautiful. By listening closely and opening your mind, your English is already improving naturally because you are using the language to process thoughts that actually matter. Pay close attention to every single word I say next, because the final step of this video will change how you see yourself forever. To actually build that new version of yourself, we have to start by tearing down the walls that are keeping you trapped right now. This is step 1, and I will be perfectly honest with you. This is going to hurt. You have to look in the mirror and deeply accept that your old self is simply not working. Most people fail right here. They desperately want a beautiful new life, but they refuse to admit that their current character is the core problem. They blame their job, their bad luck, or the people around them. But as long as you point your finger outward, you give away all your power to change. We need to sit down in quiet and practice what I call brutal honesty. You must ask yourself the hard questions. What daily habits are secretly destroying my future? Where am I lying to myself? Why am I choosing easy distractions instead of doing the difficult work? When you start asking these questions, your ego will fight back hard. Your mind will try to protect your current identity because staying exactly the same feels safe, even if it makes you miserable. Human beings naturally prefer familiar pain over the fear of the unknown. But growth lives in that uncomfortable, scary space. If you are not willing to feel that discomfort, you are not ready to evolve. You cannot just fight your bad habits. You have to outsmart them by replacing them. If you try to just stop scrolling on your phone, your brain will panic because it hates emptiness. Instead, you must replace that empty space with purpose. You replace an hour of wasting time with 20 minutes of practicing your English. And here is the most powerful psychological shift you can make today. Stop looking at your failures and saying, "This is just who I am." Instead, take a deep breath and say, "This is who I was." That one simple change in tense shifts your whole reality. You are no longer a victim. You are actively making room for the new you. Once you have finally cleared out the wreckage of who you used to be, the real magic happens when we start building the new foundation. This brings us to the second step, where you must actively design your new identity. I want you to listen to me very carefully right now, because this is where almost everyone fails. Most people try to change their lives by setting goals, but setting goals is a trap. If you just set a goal, you are relying entirely on hope and temporary motivation. Your life does not transform when you set new goals. Your life transforms when you adopt a completely new identity. Think about how we usually talk to ourselves. We say things like, "I do not want to be lazy anymore," or "I do not want to struggle with my English." That is the don't want trap. Your brain cannot build a powerful future based on what you are trying to avoid. Your mind desperately needs a clear, positive direction. This is what I call the grammar of identity. Instead of saying, "I want to learn English," which sounds like a distant wish, you must look in the mirror and declare, "I am an English speaker who improves every single day." Do you feel the difference in that energy? One is waiting for the future, and the other is claiming the present. I want you to sit down tonight in a quiet room and write out the blueprint of your new character. Do not write down what you want to have. Write down exactly who you are becoming. Define your non-negotiable traits. Write down, "I am a disciplined person who takes action," or "I am a confident learner who speaks without fear." When you use the present tense, you stop chasing a dream and start living it. Your brain might tell you that you are lying to yourself. Let it talk. Every time you speak and act from this new identity, you are slowly reprogramming your mind. You are not faking it. You are practicing who you are meant to be. Now that you have designed this powerful new identity on paper, we have to talk about what happens when you wake up tired and that piece of paper feels completely useless. This is where we must build the actual engine of your change, using discipline and the invisible power of your environment. You and I both know that motivation is a liar. It feels amazing today, but it abandons you when the alarm rings at 5 in the morning. When that alarm rings, the friction of daily life hits you hard. Your brain begs you to stay in bed and take the path of least resistance. That exact moment of hesitation is where your new self is either born or destroyed. You do not need to feel ready to take action. You just need the 5-minute rule. When everything inside you screams to skip your English practice or avoid your hardest work, tell yourself you will only do it for 5 straight minutes. That is it. No heavy pressure. Just 5 minutes to break through that initial wall of resistance. Once you start, action creates the motivation to keep going. But willpower alone will eventually break down, which is why your environment is your true secret weapon. Your surroundings shape your behavior without you even noticing. If your phone is sitting right next to you while you try to focus, you are choosing to lose. That phone is a machine designed to pull you back into your old habits. You must practice strict digital hygiene. Turn your phone into a tool for learning, not a digital escape from your reality. Clean your physical space, because a messy room creates a messy, confused mind. And finally, you must guard your energy by looking closely at your social circle. The people you listen to every day have a silent power over your future. If the people around you complain and waste time, you will too. If you do not have strong, disciplined friends in your physical life right now, build a virtual environment. Fill your ears with podcasts, videos, and books created by people who force you to level up. When you design a space that supports your growth, discipline stops being a painful fight and becomes your natural way of living. When your environment is finally working for you instead of against you, the only thing left to conquer is the quiet, boring middle of your journey. This is the exact place where most people quietly give up. In the beginning, everything feels exciting and new, but eventually, the motivation fades and the daily work just feels repetitive. No one is clapping for you, and you might not see any massive results right away. But I need you to trust me right now, because real transformation is incredibly quiet. Stop focusing on the heavy pressure of instant results and start focusing entirely on simple repetition. If you can push through the silence and stay consistent for 90 days, you will cross a magic threshold where your actual brain chemistry begins to change. Of course, you are going to have bad days. You will feel exhausted, you will make mistakes, and you will probably skip a few of your English practice sessions. That is perfectly human. The difference is that your old self would use that as an excuse to quit forever. Your new self simply forgives the mistake and tries again the very next morning. We are chasing progress, not perfection. If you keep showing up, you will eventually reach the turning point where this new identity feels completely natural. You will no longer have to force yourself to be disciplined. And that beautiful English fluency you always dreamed of will simply become a natural byproduct of the powerful person you have chosen to become. Stay consistent, my friend, because your new life is waiting for you on the other side of your daily effort. We have traveled a deep road together today. We started by accepting the brutal truth that our old self must be left behind. We learned that we cannot rely on cheap motivation. We must completely redesign our identity from the ground up. By fixing our environment and using the 5-minute rule to build discipline, we take control of our daily actions. Most importantly, we learn to trust the quiet, boring middle of the journey. In my own life, I have realized that true transformation is exactly like planting a deep-rooted tree in the garden. You do not put a seed in the soil and expect to eat the fruit the very next morning. You water the invisible roots every single day, especially when it looks like absolutely nothing is happening on the surface. That is the most profound lesson you can take away from this. The biggest shifts in your character and your English fluency do not happen in loud moments of inspiration. They happen in the quiet moments when you consciously choose hard work over comfort. The practical application for you right now is incredibly simple. Do not try to fix your entire life tonight. Just look at your new identity blueprint. Choose one tiny action that proves you are this new person and execute it. Speak English out loud for 5 minutes. Clean your desk. Put your phone away. That small action is the first breath of your new reality. Now, I have a simple question for you. What is one small negative habit that you are going to replace today? Please leave your answer in the comments below so we can all learn from each other and grow together. If this message moved you, please subscribe to Glaze English. Your support helps the channel grow and gives me the motivation to keep creating more powerful videos. Your journey begins right now.